Hello students, welcome back to your social science classes. Today we are going to start our chapter number 25 of civics, and the name of the chapter is what is democracy and why there is a need of democracy. Okay, so let's begin. So students, you all must have heard about the democracy. आप सब लोगों ने सुना है. Okay, so what is democracy? Okay, from where the word democracy is derived. So, the word democracy is derived from the Greek word demos means people or kratos means power or rule. So, democracy means power in the hands of the people. Okay. Now, some importance are there of the democracies. Democracy establishes and protects freedom. It protects minorities, it controls government power, it encourages popular participation and it disperses power wide. So students, ये कुछ importance है of democracy. It is being discussed here. You see, democracy हमको freedom देती है, most of the freedom to speak. Okay, you see, minorities are protected, minorities को protect करती है, then government की power को भी control करती है. Okay, because ultimate power is in the hands of the people. People elect the government. Okay. So different types of government. We are going to study about the different forms of government. About totalitarianism, authoritarianism, monarchy, oligarchy, republic, direct democracy, and about the anarchy. So students, अलग-अलग forms की government होती है. Okay, so power exists in the hands of people. Sometimes किसी individual के हाथ में होती है, sometimes in the hands of group of people. So let's study about the totalitarianism. So in this form of government, सारी power जो है वो government के control में होगी. Okay. It is the political system where a single individual or a group of individual wields all the power of the states. सारे states की power जो है इस total government control के अंदर में रहेगी. Okay. Then next is your authoritarianism. Okay, beta micromanagement of citizens via government structure, military control and tyranny. So this form of government is one of the type of this totalitarianism only. But ऑथोरिटेरिज्म क्या होता है बेटा, ये डिक्टेटर इनटू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिक्टेटरशिप में इसको डिवाइड कर दिया है. नंबर 1 मिलिट्री डिक्टेटरशिप. सो सारा जो कंट्रोल होता है इसके अंदर वो किसके हैंड्स में होता है? इन द हैंड्स ऑफ दिस मिलिट्री ओनली. सो देयर वाज अ मिलिट्री control in this form of government. Next is your monarchy. So beta we have already studied that in monarchy power exists in the hands of the king or queen. Only one person is having the power to take the decision. Okay, no people having rights to follow other laws and all other instructions. Only one person is having the power, that is the king. Okay, and the other have to obey their instructions. So in this monarchy it is given, आपको दे रखा है rule of one, अनडिवाइडेड रूल, टिपिकली हेरिडिटरी रूल. बेटा आफ्टर द किंग उसके सन के पास में वो सारी पावर्स चली जाएंगी. ओके, देन यू सी बैक्ड बाय द ओलिगार्किकल पावर. नेक्स्ट इज ओलिगार्की, रूल ऑफ फ्यू, वेल कनेक्टेड फाइनेंशियली. एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल होता है जो वेल कनेक्टेड होते हैं फाइनेंशियली एंड सोशली, सो दे आर हैविंग सम पावर्स टू टेक द डिसीजन. Next is your republic. So in this it is the indirect rule of citizens through representatives. सारे citizens जो है, a group of citizens, they they elect a person जो उनका representative होता है. Okay, rule of law और limited government control होता है. Okay. Then in direct democracy, rule of citizens, direct rule of citizens होता है. सारे citizens already अपनी जो है अपनी choice से elect करते हैं person को. Due to this majority होती है वो person elect हो जाता है. So simple majority rule, no restraint on majority. Anarchy, it is the form of government where there is no control or no order, it is there. Okay, कोई government का structure नहीं है, power is not there. So this is all about your forms of government. So students, as you can see here, the picture दिख रही है आपको. In democracy, people are having right to vote. Then dictatorship, only one person is having the power, that is military officer. Okay. Then in republic government हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है सारे जो group of people है on the basis of majority वो अपना एक representative को elect कर देते हैं. So they obey the rules and regulations. Next is aristocracy and then monarchy. So we have studied that king possesses the power all the power exists in the hands of king only. So सारा जो decision making powers होती है वो king के hand में होती है और ये hereditary होता है बेटा. So the son of the king will take over all the powers after him. Okay. So these are some forms of the government which we have discussed now. So students, our next topic is about the different levels of government. Okay, in India, the power of decision making lies with the three organs of the government. So कौन-कौन से organs से? Legislature, the executive and the judiciary level. So all these levels are having different powers with them. आप देखो the legislative is having the power to make the laws. Okay, it is the law making body. तो सारी जो powers होती law बनाने की it exists in the hands of this legislature. Then next है executive. This body is having the power to implement the laws और सारे जो laws उसको carry out करना उसको implement करना. Okay. Then next is about the judiciary level. So students, this judiciary body is just evaluating the laws, एंश्योर करती है कि सारे लॉज जो है वो इम्प्लीमेंट हुए या नहीं हुए. एनीबडी इज जस्ट वायलेटिंग द लॉज, ये क्या करती है? इट इज जस्ट प्रोटेक्टिंग द लॉज और उसके बाद में अगर कोई वायलेट कर रहा है उसको पनिश करना. हाउ टू पनिश दिस एग्जिस्ट इन द हैंड, दिस पावर एग्जिस्ट इन द हैंड ऑफ दिस जुडिशरी level. So students, these were the different organs of the government, that how these powers are being divided into different levels or organs. Okay. So that's all about the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.